A stiff midsole isn't about discomfort. It's the only thing stopping your arches from collapsing 5 miles into a rocky ascent. Let's start at the bottom. The outsole defines your safety on wet rock. You'll see Vibram Megagrip marketed heavily, and honestly, it's often worth the premium. Cheaper, harder rubber compounds last longer on pavement, but turn into ice skates on slick granite. Above the tread sits the midsole, which dictates cushioning and longevity. Most light hikers use EVA foam. It's soft and light, but compresses permanently over time. Heavy-duty boots use polyurethane PU. It feels harder initially, but lasts years without packing out under a heavy pack. Hidden inside is the shank. This is a rigid insert, usually plastic or metal, that prevents the boot from twisting like a dish rag. If you're carrying over 30 pounds, you need a stiffer shank to do the work your calf muscles otherwise would. For the upper, you're choosing between durability and breathability. Full-grain leather is bomb-proof and water-resistant, but heavy and hot. Synthetic mesh offers maximum airflow and zero break-in time, but high-friction trails will shred it much faster. Waterproof membranes like Gore-Tex are great for snow, but they trap sweat inside. In hot, dry climates, a waterproof boot often just means wet feet that never dry. Non-waterproof mesh is usually the smarter choice for summer hiking. All this tech is useless if the 3D mold the boot is built around doesn't match your foot volume. Italian brands often run narrow. American brands tend to be wider. Don't buy a brand just because a reviewer liked it. Buy the geometry that fits your heel lock. Finally, look for locking lace hooks at the ankle to separate tightness between your foot and leg, and a rubber rand protecting the toe. This strip of rubber saves your toes from impacts and prevents the upper from delaminating when you kick rocks. Stop looking at colors and start squeezing the midsole. If you can fold the boot in half easily, it's a sneaker, not a hiking boot. Match the stiffness to your pack weight, and prioritize fit over waterproof marketing every single time. Invest in fit first, features second. Stay safe out there.